Hey guys, welcome to this course. I am Parag, and in coming video sessions we are going to complete this CATIA course. So before starting CAD software, we are going to see why this software is used and what are the benefits of using CAD software in the design industry. So in simple terms, we can define design as a planning. In design, we will plan all the things which will be carried out in the manufacturing process. So design will be planning and implementation of design will be manufacturing. So we will see this PPT in which we will understand the CAD and how it is beneficial to the design. So in design industry, before developing any product or updating the existing product, there are some elements which are used in the design. So these elements are research and development. So it is very important to do some research before developing the product. So we have to see what are the technologies available and what are the already developed designs. By implementing that all knowledge, we can go for creating new products. Reverse engineering is another element in which the already created products are analyzed carefully, and the designer will try to create or update the existing product by adding new features or updating the features. Next element is CAD CAM. So CAD software is used for creating the 3D models, and we can analyze, we can view that 3D product. In coming slides, we are going to see what is a CAD in detail. Computer aided manufacturing CAM is useful for the design. So we can see where the product can fail, what will be the problems in practical we will get while manufacturing. So we can check all the aspects. The next element is concurrent engineering. So currently the concurrent engineering is mostly used. Also it is called simultaneous engineering, in which most of the stages which are in design process, they are concluded simultaneously. So we know that the design is a very long process in which from imagination part to the failure part, various stages are there. These stages can be run simultaneously so that product delivery time will be minimum, and as the time is directly affect the cost of the product, so it is very important. So these are the elements which are used in the design. By using these elements, we can increase the productivity, we can improve the quality of the product, we can create the better design, or we can also avoid the failures while creating design. In these elements, we can see the one computer aided design is one of the important element. So let's see the computer aided design. We can define as the tools that assist the engineers, architects and other design professionals in their design activities. This is a software in which all the tools will be available to create the 3D product, 2D drafting, etc. The computer aided design is used to draw things. Basically it is used for drawing things. Basically CAD softwares are used in many industries like automobile, aerospace, medical devices, defense, plastic injection molding, sheet metal industry or shipbuilding industry, etc. We can see here conventional design process and current, this is computer aided design process. Mostly the steps are same, but some steps are replaced by the computer aided design. So from synthesis, which is done by geometric modeling. So we are going to see in CAD how we are going to create the geometric modeling. Whatever the input we give on the computer, that input is converted into the mathematical model. Output will be shown on the screen. Then also we can do this analysis optimization by engineering analysis. So we can use different softwares like analysis softwares, ANSYS, Hypermesh, for doing structural analysis or thermal analysis. Different types of analysis we can do to check the failure of the product. Then also we can do evaluation by analyzing the 3D product, and we can create automated drafting in the software by using already created 3D parts. So currently in industry there are various softwares. So some of the softwares I have written here: AutoCAD, Pro Engineer, SolidWorks, CATIA, NX, Ideas. So these are the various CAD softwares. So how these softwares are selected? Many softwares are available in the market. So the softwares are selected on basis of tools available in the CAD software and the properties of the CAD software. The different properties you will see in the next slide. and most important factor is the cost. So depend on the budget, this software selection is done. So basically it depend on what type of the product is you want to create. For example, if you want to create the complex surface design, or if you are designing some parts of the aerospace industry, then CATIA is mostly used because it's various surfacing tools, so we can create the complex shapes. So in any CAD software there will be different workbenches in which we have to work. These workbenches comes under the product lifecycle management. Product lifecycle management means that from imagination steps to the failure of the product, there are various steps like sketching, then 3D product creation, then its assembly, then drafting, then analysis, then mechanism. If you want to create the motion, all these things we can do in the CAD software. So all these workbenches will be available in the 3D softwares. So mostly in mechanical design we will see part, surfacing, sheet metal, assembly, drafting. So these are some standard CAD file formats which are used universally. So this IGS format is used for exchanging surface file. So this surface file can be opened in any software. STV file format is used for normally exchanging solid products with mass and all, and STL file format is used for rapid prototyping, so in which by using different technology we can create product layer by layer. These are the standard file formats. Any software will have its own file formats, like CATIA will have .cat part for part design, .cat product for product design, and .cat drawing for drafting. So we will see that after starting the software. So we will see some properties of the software and environment of the CATIA in next session with the help of CAD software. Thank you.